Desert King, hello. Oh, GWS. What's GWS? I feel so much more secure. You wouldn't let me broken apart. Cause it's much easier to you. Thank you, Gordon. Thank you so much. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my tension. Christina, what are you doing? Hi, Shun. Jason. Jason. I wish I could go back to the days. Ano ba yung habang? Gonna change my answering machine. Now that I'm alone. Cause right now it says that we can't come to the phone. And I know it makes no sense. Is it raining in the Philippines? Yes. The weather is cold and it's kind of rainy. That's why a lot of people get sick, including me. Flu, cough and cold. It's very common nowadays because of the weather. Here in the Philippines, it's kind of cold. It's really cold. How about in your country? Is this the winter season na ba? Okay, bilis naman magsawa ng puso. Ganyan. Yeah. It's very unpredictable.